Now, Tugitugans, they are the largest and the best-known toucan species in the world. So as you can see, it has a white throat and a black body that helps them camouflage in the rainforest. Now, when toucans travel, they can fly in long distances like other birds. Instead, they hop between branches and flap their wings vigorously to reach their destination. Now, Tugitugans have a large and colorful bill that looks heavy, but in reality, it is extremely light. It is because it is made up of protein and keratin, just like our hairs and nails. Now, there are a total of 40 toucan species in the world, and one thing they have in common is their large and beautiful bill. Now, fun fact about Tugitugans, they can control their body temperature just by adjusting their blood flow to their beak. So when they feel hot, their beak will serve as a natural radiator. So round of applause to our most handsome Tugitugan, Mr. Horn. Now, since you already witnessed the amazing skills and talents of our fluffy birds, it is time to meet some fierce raptors, our birds of prey. Now, birds of prey are big birds with pointed beaks, sharp talons, and have wide wings. Examples are hawks, kites, eagles, and vultures. So I need everyone's cooperation, so please sit down, turn off the flashes of your phones, and do not try to reach out or touch our birds. Because our next set of birds are going to showcase their extraordinary hunting skills and flight styles. Lastly, they will fly closer to you. So again, just please sit down, supervise your kids, and also please keep your foods inside your bags. It is for your own safety and for the safety of our animals. Alright, so we're all set and ready? Now, for our first birds of prey, it is a diurnal type of bird, meaning most of their hunting time is during the daytime. But before calling it, we will first need a lure. So the lure will be handled by Mr. Charles, one of our bird trainers. The lure will serve as the real food or the real prey because this bird is going to showcase how sharp his eyesight is and how good he is at catching his food. Now, Mr. Charles, are you ready? Alright, so we're all set and ready? Now, ladies and gentlemen, keep your eyes alert to our Philippine Hawk Eagle named Hunter.
Ayan na lang na.
Ayan.
Nice catch, Hunter. Now, Philippine Hawk Eagle typically hunts from a perch, patiently waiting at the right moment to swoop down its prey. Now, as you can see, Mr. Charles here is wearing a thick gloves that protects himself from the sharp talons and claws of this bird. Now, this bird can grow up to 65 to 70 centimeters in length with a wingspan of 105 to 125 centimeters. So, round of applause for our Philippine Hawk Eagle named Hunter. Now, for our next birds of prey, it embodies the beauty and the mystery of the night. Now, I need everyone's cooperation, so let us remain silent, seated, and relaxed as we welcome our Philippine Eagle Owl named Boo. Now, Philippine Eagle Owl, they are the largest owl species that can be seen here in the Philippines. So it has a wingspan of 40 to 50 centimeters. So as you can see, it has a large head and a bulging eyes that can spot a prey up to 2 kilometers away. So when they fly, they are almost silent. It is because of their special feathers that helps them glide quietly in the night. making them a silent stalkers or the silent hunters of the night. So just like any adult owls, they have a flexible neck. They can rotate their heads up